straight line very long. That's a terribly boring thing to do, isn't it, when you're a man of this skill? Takes years and years, of course, hours of practicing, and also you have to build up what we call G tolerance, and that is all about being able to withstand the rigors physically of being in the cockpit while carrying out. Having a big sky too. Here, smoke is very aesthetic in the way it draws lines from sea down in the Red Arrows as well, but it's also a very important safety position, particularly when you're flying formation displays. And now letting it tumble, letting it slide, rolling it through. And now, once again, upside down, holding that negative G with a nose leading consistency. Really capability whilst in the climb, and then effortlessly just letting the aircraft tumble through the sky, holding it all under control.